Looks wise, just a small difference on the right side of the board, extra key on the IK75, but the Nj80's got a nicer looking knob and a cleaner design. Both these keyboard kits cost around the same price, but the IK75 definitely offered more. They included all foams needed, making it very beginner friendly. However, I do slightly prefer the Nj80 over the IK75 for several reasons. Despite it having a very hollow aluminium plate, it ended up sounding better, and I think it looks better too. The IK75 is a gasket mounted board, however I believe the case is too tight, therefore there wasn't any flex, making the typing experience rather similar to a tray mounted board. And the overall structure of the Nj80 was more solid. Do keep in mind my Nj80 is heavily modded, while the IK75, I just used what's given in the box. That's my quick opinion and typing test on these two keyboards. Thanks for watching.